Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Cellcard account is active and has an appropriate roaming pack or enough credit. This prevents blocks. Once done, verify the SIM is inserted correctly and that roaming is allowed on your plan, because carriers block unmanaged roaming. Next, enable mobile data and data roaming in settings. This is the first actionable step. Make sure airplane mode is off and restart the phone to force a fresh network registration, so the device can search for partner networks. Now you'll configure the phone so it talks correctly to foreign towers. First, try automatic network selection. If it won't register, pick a known local partner manually. This forces attachment. Then check APN settings, enter Cellcard's roaming APN details or tap Reset to Default to restore carrier settings, because wrong APN blocks data. Also set preferred network type to 4G or 3G depending on coverage. This helps with stability. Once set, restart the device to apply changes and trigger re-registration. Finish by verifying service. Make a short call, send an SMS, and load a web page to confirm voice, text, and data. If everything works, monitor usage in the Cellcard app to avoid surprises and enable data limits or alerts. If you still can't connect, try one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle SIM off in settings or remove and reinsert it, then re-enter the APN exactly and reselect a partner network. If that fails, contact Cellcard support with your IMSI and last registration attempt so they can provision roaming.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.